Chapter 11. Data Science and AI. Data science is the domain of study that deals with vast volumes of data using modern tools and techniques to find unseen patterns, derive meaningful information, and make business decisions. Data science uses complex machine learning algorithms to build predictive models. The data used for analysis can come from many different sources and are presented in various formats. FactGPT. Google uses advanced data science and machine learning algorithms to deliver search results in milliseconds. One of its famous algorithms, called RankBrain, is an AI-based system that helps Google understand the meaning behind search queries and provides the most relevant results. Benefits of a data science platform. A data science platform reduces redundancy and drives innovation by enabling teams to share code, results, and reports. It removes bottlenecks in the flow of work by simplifying management and incorporating best practices. In general, the best data science platforms aim to make data scientists more productive by helping them accelerate and deliver models faster and with less error. Make it easier for data scientists to work with large volumes and varieties of data. Deliver trusted, enterprise-grade artificial intelligence that's bias-free, auditable, and reproducible. The data science lifecycle. Data science's lifecycle consists of 5 distinct stages, each with its own tasks. Capture. This stage involves gathering raw structured and unstructured data. Maintain. This stage covers taking the raw data and putting it in a form that can be used. Process. Data scientists take the prepared data and examine its patterns, ranges, and biases to determine how useful it will be in predictive analysis. Analyze. This stage involves performing various analyses on the data. Communicate. Analysts prepare the analyses in easily readable forms such as charts, graphs, and reports in this final step. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a product of human creation, developed to enable computers to read, understand, and learn from data, which helps in the decision-making process. These decisions are based on inferences that are otherwise difficult for humans to catch. In modern technology, artificial intelligence is divided into 2 general uses: general AI and applied AI. General AI handles tasks like speaking, translating, recognizing sounds and objects, and engaging in business and social transactions. Applied AI refers to sensory technologies like autonomous vehicles, aka self-driving cars. Self-driving cars rely on artificial intelligence and innovative memory. They use algorithms to understand patterns and designs. Today, algorithm implementations have advanced so much that we can run them from smartphones and laptops. Role of artificial intelligence in data science. Artificial intelligence plays a key role in enhancing the capabilities of data science. The following points explain the role of AI in the field of data science. Machine learning is a supervised version developed by the combination of data science and artificial intelligence, where a limited amount of data is put into the system to predict the possibility. Artificial intelligence is a tool for data science. Artificial intelligence is not completely represented by data science because data science only deals predictive analysis and uses machine learning tools for it. Machine learning is just a subset of artificial intelligence, and AI can provide many more complex tools for analysis. Data visualization. Data visualization is the practice of translating information into a visual context, such as a map or graph, to make data easier for the human brain to understand and pull insights from. The main goal of data visualization is to make it easier to identify patterns, trends, and outliers in large data sets. It is a particularly efficient way of communicating when the data or information is numerous, as for example a time series of death cases during COVID-19. How does a computer understand colors? Human retinas happen to have rod-shaped cells that are sensitive to all light, and cone-shaped cells that come in three kinds: red-sensitive, green-sensitive, and blue-sensitive. Therefore, there are three additive primary colors: red, green, and blue, or RGB. All visible colors are seen by exciting these three types of cells in various degrees. There are various methods available for choosing a set of colors that work efficiently with each other in a visualization. But the computer has no understanding of color. It does not know what it is. Very simply, color is represented by the combinations of the three primary colors: red, green, and blue. When you select a color, you are selecting how much of each primary you will be using. If you select red, you are telling the computer essentially 100% red, 0% green, 0% blue. Now, color can be generated on a screen in different ways depending on technology, but to simplify, let's say that each pixel is made of 3 LEDs, 1 red, 1 green, and 1 blue. When you paint an area red, the computer knows to light up the red LED while keeping the green and the blue ones off. Had you selected yellow, it would turn off blue and turn green and red, and you would see that as yellow. Fact GPT. On computers, RGB color components are standardly defined on a scale from 0 to 255, which is 8 bits or 1 byte. How does computer understand images? Digital images are composed of tiny elements called pixels, picture elements. Think of an image as a grid of several thousand tiny pixels. Here is a conceptual representation of the concept. Machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning. Machine learning involves a lot of complex math and coding that serves the same mechanical function that a flashlight, car, or computer screen does. When we say something is capable of machine learning, it means it performs a function with the data given to it and gets progressively better over time. It's like if you had a flashlight that turned on whenever you said, "It's dark," it would recognize different phrases containing the word dark. Machine learning fuels all sorts of automated tasks that span across multiple industries, from data security firms that hunt down malware to finance professionals who want alerts for favorable trades. Types of machine learning. Machine learning. Supervised learning. Unsupervised learning. Reinforcement learning. Supervised learning. A computer is given training data and a model for responding to data. As new data is fed to the computer, a data scientist supervises the process by confirming the computer's accurate responses and correcting the computer's inaccurate responses. Unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning entails feeding the computer only unlabeled data, then letting the model identify the patterns on its own. This machine learning method is usually used in cases where it's unclear what the results will look like, so you need the computer to dig through the hidden layers of data and cluster or group data together based on the similarities or differences. Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is used to help machines master complex tasks that come with massive datasets, such as driving a car. Through lots of trial and error, the program learns how to make a series of decisions, which is necessary for many multi-step processes. Deep learning. A deep learning model is designed to continually analyze data with a logical structure similar to how a human would draw conclusions. To complete this analysis, deep learning applications use a layered structure of algorithms called an artificial neural network. The design of an artificial neural network is inspired by the biological network of neurons in the human brain, leading to a learning system that's far more capable than that of standard machine learning models. Types of deep learning. Convolutional neural networks. Convolutional neural networks are algorithms specifically designed for image processing and object detection. The convolution is a unique process of filtering through an image to assess every element within it. CNNs are often used to power computer vision, a field of AI that teaches machines how to process the visual world. Facial recognition technology is a common use of computer vision. Recurrent neural networks. Recurrent neural networks have built-in feedback loops that allow the algorithms to remember past data points. RNNs can use this memory of past events to inform their understanding of current events or even predict the future. A deep neural network can think better when it has this level of context. For example, a Maps app powered by an RNN can remember when traffic tends to get worse. It can then use this knowledge to recommend an alternate route when you are about to get caught in rush hour traffic. Recapitulate. Data science uses complex machine learning algorithms to build predictive models. Data scientists take the prepared data and examine its patterns, ranges and biases to determine how useful it will be in predictive analysis. In modern technology, artificial intelligence is divided into two general uses, general AI and applied AI. Today, algorithm implementations have advanced so much that we can run them from smartphones and laptops. Digital images are composed of tiny elements called pixels, picture elements. Gloss GPT. Redundancy, superfluity. Bottlenecks, a narrow section. Inferences, the process of inferring something thoroughly. Accelerate, increase in rate, amount or extent.